You might be asking yourself, who is never done projects?
Behind the house in that old 24 by 24, a dream was born, just a hammer and the floor. Daddy and me, we wrench under the moon, building classics to the whistle of a lonesome tune. From burning tires to railroad steel, chasing dreams with grease on our heels. Now it's 8,000 square feet, 6 acres wide. The snowman family's along for the ride. Rails paid the bills, but the shop fed the soul. We worked long nights to make the dream whole. From that little backyard to a kingdom of chrome, we built it together, turned iron to home. From burning tires to railroad steel, chasing dreams with grease on our heels. Now it's 8,000 square feet, 6 acres wide. The snowman family's along for the ride. Under the lights, the engine's roar, burnout spinning, always wanting more. YouTube cheers from my family so true, living our best life, every day feels new. Now we host the shows and the cars roll in, laughter and engines where dreams begin. From father to son, the legacy's clear, chasing smoke and steel year after year. Now we host the shows and the cars roll in, laughter and engines where dreams begin. From father to son, the legacy's clear, chasing smoke and steel year after year.
Today is Thursday, July 17th. Here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. We're all trying to go somewhere, we're all trying to do things. We're getting real close to our 4,000 watch hours. We're trying to do the premieres and, not premieres, we're trying to do the lives and do our videos and get to that next step. I guess my lives are a lot like Daryl's premieres. It's something that I look forward to every day, and I want all of y'all to come in and enjoy and have a conversation. They're not big ones like Daryl's premiere and stuff like that, but we get a few good people coming in and try to enjoy it. I try to set it up so everybody can help everybody, and we get good channels to watch. So if you got time, every day at 6 p.m. Eastern time, I go live and we have a good time. So anyway, that's what I plan on doing today. I plan on doing my daily live at 6 p.m. and I hope it's a good one today. Then after that, I usually try to keep it around an hour, but if it's going good, I'll go until I do not want to interfere in Daryl's premiere. So usually if it gets close, I'll call it quits. Even if it's a good one, I'll call it quits because I don't want to interfere in Daryl's premiere. And Daryl says it's fine, I can keep going, but I'm just not like that. I mean, you know, Daryl has his time sets, and you know, I appreciate everybody coming in. So, and I appreciate being respectful and helping out. So anyway, watched Daryl's premiere, and then after the premiere, I've got to make videos because Randy didn't come to the shop today. I don't know what went on. I talked to him a little bit, but he didn't have a lot to say, but he wasn't able to come to the shop. I have no idea what I'm going to do for the video. I might scratch up one of them songs that we've been trying, Randy's been making. I've made a couple, and I might see if I can get one of those songs and put it in with some old pictures or something that we've done, because we have no footage because we haven't done anything. I've been studying on the lives. Randy's been putting up any kind of videos that he does, and being he didn't come today, you know, he didn't do nothing, so not here. So therefore, we don't have any footage. So I'll put together something, and it'll be kind of short, and maybe it'll just be something for everybody to listen to or whatever. But anyway, we'll see. That's what I got on my agenda today. And remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day, and the goal is to be happy. I apologize, I'm moving kind of slow because I did a lot of weed eating today at work, and my arms are like jello. But anyway, the goal is to be happy. You are in control of your destiny. You're in control of your happiness. Nobody makes you mad, or nobody hurts your feelings or offends you. You allow it. And that is something I'm learning. I'm looking into a lot. I'm watching a lot of kind of self-help videos, trying to set myself, because I'm working on being happy. I've enjoyed my life, don't get me wrong, but I am working on myself to be happy. And one thing that makes me happy is these lives that I'm doing. You know, some people may think I'm crazy for doing them, and I'm sure it won't make, you know, a lot of money or nothing like that, but it's helping my hours. It helps me feel good, and that's what I'm going to worry about. I invite all of y'all in here to enjoy it with us. I'd like to see the numbers grow, and I'd like to see people start coming back on a daily thing. But, you know, I'm going to make myself happy. That's what I ask each and every one of y'all to do. Go out there and make yourself happy. Nobody else is going to. If you're not on your projects, get out there and get started on it. A 1,000-mile journey starts with the first step. When I was doing all that weed eating today, it was about 3/10 of a mile that I had to weed eat. And then I had to weed eat and come down the other side. So, and I'm looking at that long line that I got to weed eat, and I'm thinking, I ain't never gonna get done. And then I got to thinking about me sitting right here. No, I'm not if I don't get started. So I took a step. And when I took a step, I weed eat it. I took another step, and every once in a while I'd turn around and I'd look, and I'd see how far I got. And then I'd go, and I'd run it. I'd never run out of gas. I kept running out of weed eater string because it was the big stuff and it kept chewing the string up. I ended up refilling it 3 times, and it's out of string right now. I actually had a spot about, I don't know, about here to that machine right there that I wasn't able to finish, and I wasn't going to walk all the way back to the truck, reline it, and walk back. So I reached up there and pulled a few by hand. And next time I go by with a truck, I'll jump out there and hit it with weed eater. But what I'm trying to say is, I'm working on myself to do the same thing I'm asking y'all to do. Make yourself happy. Think about it as, don't think about it in no negative way. Put all the negative thoughts out of your way. Quit blaming people for the mistakes you're making. Stop blaming people. Stop carrying, you know, your anger around, and you're mad at the world. Drop it. Let it go. It doesn't matter. It's only upsetting you. but in your mind, you're gonna be happy. Like I said, I named my brain Frank. I looked in the mirror and I said, Frank, we're not having a bad day today. Let's get up, let's get going. Matter of fact, I even changed my ringtone to telling me, you're a badass, get up, let's get this day going. So I try to talk to myself at night before I go to bed, tell myself I'm having a good time, I'm going to enjoy this. We're going to make this YouTube thing happen. I'm not sitting here telling you I'm going to get rich, but we are going to make this YouTube thing happen, and we're going to do it. I'm enjoying myself. I enjoy putting content out for you guys to watch. So get out there and make yourself happy, and keep it silly. Put your best foot forward and do the best you can, and smile. Stay away from the negativity. Y'all have a good day, night, whatever you're watching this. Thank you.
I was waiting for it.